Hello all! We are back with the videos again. Please support us. Add 300 milliliters water. Add 2 teaspoons sugar. Boil on high flame. Stir continuously. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper. Add 2 bay leaves. Add crushed black pepper. Add crushed 1-inch ginger. Boil on high flame until color changes. Add 2 teaspoons tea powder. Boil on high flame only for 3 minutes. Please don't overboil. Please do turn off the flame. Strain the black tea or liquor tea. Black tea is rich in antioxidants and may provide health benefits, including improved heart and gut health and a reduced risk. Serve super hot. Enjoy!